Alright, it's been a few weeks since I posted an update on where things are at with Jericho Battery Company. If you watched the last few installments, you know that I was going to frame out an office in the new warehouse so I could have a relatively clean and cool place to do office and computer work. So I'm going to run a quick video montage of some of the construction and then show you the finished product and some quick updates at the end of the video. Okay guys, we're back at the shop. This is going to be the last update on the shop until, well, for a while anyways, until we start building out the workbench area. I probably won't do any more updates on Jericho Battery Company until we're able to do some testing. I'm still waiting on the inverter. They're 3 months, 4 months back ordered right now, so I apologize for that, but I've been keeping busy. Obviously, you can see I finished framing out this office. I am not a carpenter. I'm not a tradesman. I know enough to be dangerous. I'm kind of a jack of all trades, master of none. So it's rough, it's ugly, it's not insulated, but it's reasonably airtight, and it's obviously got a window air conditioner on there that keeps things relatively cool, and that's what I need to be able to work here. So I'll show you what we're working with. And yes, it's very dark in here. That's the next item, is to get some lights in here, but like I said, very rough. I'm not going to be taping and texturing and doing any of that stuff, and you can see spray foam everywhere and foam tucked in corners, and it's definitely function over form here. But you know, I was able to kind of get it tucked into the metal structure and get it reasonably airtight. So that's the critical thing, and this gives me a quieter and cooler area to work. So anyway, like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of closure on this. This is going to be the last update on the workshop for the foreseeable future. And I'm going to, I promise this is the last day I'm going to be distracted by this. Tomorrow I'm going to start doing normal content and videos again for you guys. So thanks for being patient with me, and thanks for all your support, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the merchandise store, and that's a great way to support me and keep this channel going.